Namaste. What's up, guys? Sony here, bringing a little more soul sense to expand your consciousness and your life once again. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing blessed and amazing. I hope, as always. I wanted to talk to you guys a bit today about just taking a deep breath and just being present in what's going on. And I know that we can get really caught up on the decisions that we are making. I have posted several times on how tricky it can be on making those daily decisions and understanding like what doors are opening, what doors are closing, and how to base your decisions on being clear with that, right? So I want to talk to you about that today and just kind of get your through that undecisiveness because you're sitting in something that's really making it a shaky platform, and which is fear. Fear can put you in a state of being indecisive. And I will tell you this, through my experience in life, if you are working at trying to make a decision, making the decision because you're scared is not the best time to make that decision. The time to make decisions is when you are very clear and you get the signs and the synchronicities to move forward with what you are planning on doing. See, I know that life has many pressures, especially during these times, that we feel we need to rush into making decisions to keep us in a certain place of happiness or understanding or being copacetic or being okay or trying to make someone else feel okay or make a situation okay. And this isn't always the best time to make your decisions. So the best things that I can tell you that have helped me through my decision making is taking a minute, taking those deep breaths, and giving me myself the time to really integrate what it is that I'm trying to accomplish and what goal I'm trying to accomplish and what is the result, by creating a connection with myself that automatically brings in co-creating a solution to what it is that I'm looking to make a decision to create that reality that I'm looking to manifest. So the simple steps is taking that breath, taking that minute, taking that time, take that beat to make sure you're clear with it. I always say meditation because it connects me and helps me become clear in my decision and keeps me really grounded. And then it's the planning of the follow through. If I take this step, how is that going to play out? And what can I do to help manifest that entirely in the moment? We have to understand that Spirit is always guiding us, and we are always loved, and we are always connected, and we are always guided. It's just that we get caught up in the mind and we let that direct us instead of our spirit being the one in the driver's seat of our life. There's many steps you can do that. And I have, through my experience, talked to many friends and family and my clients that they just, get caught up in the mental. And this is what we are all a part of on a collective raising up to that awareness now. That, we have to take the time to go inward and rebuild ourselves. All those things, even those who are collectively and individually making those steps to grow, we have to dig deep in that Pandora's box at this time to continue our growth and our evolution and to help expand us into that next frame of multidimensionality, conscious awareness, so we can grow into our next level, and that is truly mastering our divinity. So until the next time, I love you guys. Namaste, and I will continue to slay until the next time. Peace. I love you. I'll see you soon.